Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your costume and like your outfit, I guess, and like some accessories on Disney Dreamlight Valley. Just press I for inventory, go to your wardrobe and select customize. Here you can customize shirts, headscarves, hoodies, cardigans, even dresses, and even like Mickey ears and backpacks as well. So if you want to customize like a Mickey or Minnie ear, just select the item that you want to customize, select create, and for instance I want to add in like a pattern. So I'm just going to select the pattern that I want, maybe like the strawberry one, and just adjust it. To create like a pattern and not just like one image, select this bit right here and press this to create a pattern, here to rotate it. Not sure what this does basically. You also have like this one to even like duplicate it more. Wait, let me just select that to have like even more strawberries on it. If you'd like to, if you want to, you can turn it off. I don't know what that's for. You also have the setting, but I usually just use this one and kind of rotate it. And if you want to change the color of the headband, just like this bit right here and select the color that you want for the headband. Maybe like this, I don't know. And you can also do it for outfits as well. Just press escape to save and quit. If you don't like this, just press the delete button here. I'm also going to delete this. You can also do it for outfits. Let's try like this cottage dress. Press create again, adding patterns if you'd like to, like the also you'll get more of these once you play the video, sorry, not the video, the game, because you won't have this all once you start playing. So make sure you play more to get these like stickers, I guess, these drawings. I don't know which one I should pick. Maybe like this one. And then I'm just going to set a pattern for it. You can also change the color of the pattern, I think, here. Let's try like a green. There we go. And I want to create a pattern. You can also make it smaller, and I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit. And then I'm going to go here to change the color of the dress. I'm just going, okay, there we go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!